What do you want from your life? To live regular, obeying the demand of society, or to be the one who sets the rules? The modern world is trapped in by norms, frameworks, and rules from all sides in a chase of well-being. We forget to live. People's desires have become their cage. But there's the spirit of freedom, which lives inside of every person. Because of it, we can dream, strive, live. We all want to create the world by our own rules, and for this, we need to break down barriers and overcome borders. You choose a future without borders, having become an investor in UMO Finance.
For me, UMO Finance
is colleagues from around the world.
Earnings from the comfort of your own home.
Freedom and independence.
For us, is the future of our children.
For me, this is the welfare of my parents.
These people have determined their fate. What will you choose?